Hey guys, what's going on? It's Aaron here from Will It Vape. Today we are going to be reviewing the, I don't know what it's called. Basically, it's a switchable vape. It's a dual liquid shisha pen, hookah pen, 2% nicotine, so 20 milligram. And I must say, it looks pretty cool. I think it cost me like 10 quid and you get like 2 lots of 1600 puffs. You can switch between 2 different flavors. So I got mango and watermelon in this. So we've got mango on side A, and then watermelon on side B. So it's got 3,200 puffs, opposed to the normal 600 puffs, which is the legal limit here in the UK. I know you can get double that. You can get like 1,200 in some of the disposable vapes, but I don't think they're actually legally allowed to sell those here in the UK. Anyway, this is from China. It's from AliExpress. It's 3,200 puffs. It was £5, and then with all the shipping and tax and everything, it was £10 altogether, or £9 something. But if you bought a few of them, it'd probably be beneficial, considering like a normal puff bar is £5 for 600 puffs. So you basically need 4 of those, so it's 20 quid. So this is 10 quid, so you're saving money. The real question is, does it smoke like one of those puff bars? Is the flavour good enough? Does the switching function actually work? Or is it just a load of crap? So I've already unboxed it. The box had nothing special on it. It just had 1,600 and 1,600 puff disposable vape. It does have a charger on the bottom, so I don't believe you're going to get 1,600 and 1,600, 3,200 puffs all on one charge, so it wouldn't technically be like the puff bars. But like first impressions, it's pretty cool. It looks quite funky. I don't know if you can get different colours for different flavours. On the bottom, you've obviously got a micro USB charging port and the switch to change between 2 different flavours. It's quite a bit bigger than a normal puff bar or disposable vape. It's probably double the thickness. It's very light, fits in your pocket nicely, so let's give it a go. Apparently it lights up. I haven't got a clue what flavour we're on. We're on just one side at the moment. It's not written on the bottom or anything. That's watermelon. That's pretty cool. It lights up different colours. I don't know if that's a little bit annoying, really. If you're out uptown or something and you've got, you know, it changing different colours like that, looks a bit weird. Everybody's gonna be like, what's that? It's pretty decent though. It's definitely watermelon. Tastes quite nice. That's quite good. It's got a real menthol here. It's quite strong on the old menthol front. All right, let's switch straight to the other flavour. So I believe this should be mango. Straight away you can tell there's no like waiting for the liquid to kind of change, or you know when you change liquids in your normal vape and it takes like, I don't know, like an hour to come through properly, or half an hour. Depends what vape you've got, but straight away. This must be like 2 separate vapes, like inside. It must be completely different, 2 separate ones. And yeah, you switch and it just changes the whole thing. So not as mentally, the mango. It's like a creamy mango. It's bang on. It's all right. I mean, I don't smoke these, but it's yeah. If I ever lost my vape and I had this lying around just to get me through the day, that's crazy. That's it. It's awesome. Absolutely awesome. I've never seen this before at all anywhere. I was just scrolling through the internet, I love looking at random things on like AliExpress, DHgate, Banggood. Love looking at like all the new stuff they're trying to bring out, you know, before it actually gets advertised in the UK in shops. There's not much to say about it, to be honest. It's just a disposable vape. So it looks nice. So we can get you a bit close up there. It looks nice, it functions properly. Not too sure about the different colours it lights up. It's a bit weird. It would be better if you had one side which was one colour and it would just light up red all the time when you smoked it. And then you switch to the other side and it'd be green, and it just lights up green for the entire time you smoke it. I'm gonna keep smoking it and see how long it lasts before I have to charge it. I reckon it'll probably be like 600 puffs. It must have the same battery as the puff bars, the elf bars, whatever you want to call them. But neat little invention, love it. Keep things like this, please keep things like this coming. China, I'm sorry, but it's all coming from China. Awesome, innovative design, love it. What can I say? It will vape.